This website pulled in over $10,000 in its very first month. And here's the crazy part. It was built almost entirely by artificial intelligence. I gave ChatGPT a simple but powerful challenge. Could it model the passive income strategies of the legendary entrepreneur Pat Flynn and build a real, profitable business from scratch? You're about to see the exact prompts that turned a blank slate into a business with a potential six-figure valuation. And I'll be honest, the results are pretty shocking. Let's be real. Starting a business is completely overwhelming. It's like trying to navigate a ship in a storm with 1,000 different voices shouting directions. The fear of picking the wrong path can paralyze you. I wanted to see if AI could cut through that noise. I needed a proven model, a North Star for this experiment. For me, that was Pat Flynn. I followed his work at Smart Passive Income for years. His core philosophy isn't about getting rich quick, it's about a simple, powerful idea. Serve first. Think of it like being a trusted guide on a difficult trail, not a pushy salesperson at the trailhead. The strategy is to find a group of people, truly understand their problems, and build a business that genuinely helps them. The money follows when you create value. So the challenge was set. Could I use ChatGPT, guided by this serve first ethos, to build a profitable affiliate marketing business? First things first, I needed a market to serve. I didn't want to just throw spaghetti at the wall, I wanted a data-driven idea. So I turned to my new AI business partner with a very specific prompt. I typed, act as a business strategist inspired by Pat Flynn's serve first philosophy. Identify 5 niche markets with high-ticket affiliate products, where the primary audience feels underserved and overwhelmed by technical jargon. The goal is to build an authority site that provides clear, helpful advice. ChatGPT fired back some fascinating ideas, but one just jumped off the page. Technology for seniors. It was perfect. This is an audience that often feels left behind by tech. The products, think medical alert systems or simplified smartphones, are high value, and there was a massive opportunity to serve by providing simple, clear, and trustworthy guidance. The pain point couldn't be clearer. With the niche locked in, I needed a brand. Back to ChatGPT I went. The prompt was simple. Brainstorm 10 brand names for a website dedicated to simplifying technology for senior citizens. The name should feel trustworthy, simple, and encouraging. After a few suggestions, we landed on one for our case study that felt just right. eldertechadvisor.com. Next up was the content strategy. Just writing random articles is a one-way ticket to failure. You need a plan. I decided to use the pillar and cluster model for SEO to build topical authority. Think of it like writing a textbook. The pillar page is the main textbook itself, a huge comprehensive guide. My prompt to ChatGPT was, using the pillar and cluster SEO model, create a content plan for a site called eldertechadvisor.com. The main pillar page will be the ultimate guide to staying connected, technology for seniors. Then suggest 10 cluster posts that solve specific problems and link back to the pillar, like the 5 best medical alert systems of 2025 or how to choose a senior-friendly smartphone. In just a few minutes, I had a whole content roadmap designed to make the site a go-to resource. Now this next part is the most important, and it's where most people using AI get it wrong. I used ChatGPT to generate the first draft of every single article. It was like an architect handing you a detailed blueprint. It created outlines, structured the content, and did a ton of the grunt work. For me, it probably cut the actual writing time by about 80%. But, and this is critical, you wouldn't live in a house that's just a blueprint. You cannot just copy and paste what an AI gives you. This is especially true for what Google calls your money or your life topics. Content about health, finance, and safety is held to a much higher standard, and for good reason. With AI content flooding the internet, it's more important than ever to have content that shows real human experience. Google has been clear that it rewards high-quality, helpful content regardless of how it's made, so the human touch is what makes the difference. The AI draft was just the starting line. The final 20% of the work was all human, and it made all the difference. That 20% involved 4 key steps: rigorous fact-checking. I verified every single claim and statistic. In a niche with health implications, this is non-negotiable. Injecting human experience. To build trust, content needs to show you've actually engaged with the topic. This is the heart of what Google's guidelines on experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust, or EEAT, are about. Ensuring FTC compliance. Every page with an affiliate link needs a clear and conspicuous disclosure. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a legal requirement. Editing for empathy. Finally, I rewrote sections to connect with the audience on a human level. addressing their specific fears and concerns with a patient, understanding tone. This human refinement is what turns a generic AI blueprint into a trustworthy home that people want to visit. Honestly, this process of refining AI drafts is the real secret sauce. It's the system that ensures quality and builds a brand people can rely on. I've put together a step-by-step checklist that I use for every article to take it from a robotic draft to a trustworthy, high-ranking piece of content. I've made it available as a free guide for you. The link is down in the description. Getting a new website to rank on Google is like planting an oak tree. It takes time to grow and mature before it provides any real shade. I wasn't going to sit around and wait for that to happen. I needed a short-term traffic strategy, like a sprinkler system to water the young sapling while its roots grew strong. The answer once again was inspired by Flynn. Be everywhere your audience is. I found relevant subreddits and Facebook groups for caregivers and seniors. Now think of this like going to a party. The wrong way is to walk in and immediately start shouting about your business. That's spam, and it will get you kicked out. The right way is to be a good guest. I spent time in these communities genuinely answering questions and joining discussions. I never led with a link. Only when someone asked a direct question like, "I'm overwhelmed trying to find a medical alert system for my dad. Any advice?" would I offer a helpful summary right there in the comment. Then, and only then, would I add something like, "I actually wrote a detailed guide on this. You can check it out here if you want to see a full comparison." It's crucial to always check and respect the community's rules, as many don't allow self-promotion at all. This approach didn't just drive traffic, it built foundational trust. So, what did all this lead to? In the first 30 days, the website generated $10,347 in affiliate commissions. But let's be clear about what that means for the business's value. In the world of buying and selling websites, a common valuation for an established stable content site can be around 30 to 40 times its monthly net profit. But using a single month's performance to value a new business is like trying to predict a marathon runner's final time based on their first 100-meter sprint. It shows incredible potential, but it's not the whole story. That first month's profit puts this business on a trajectory toward a potential valuation well over $100,000. It's a powerful proof of concept. If these results can be sustained and stabilized over the next year, it could realistically be valued in the $300,000 to $400,000 range. The business asset itself is what has six-figure potential. So what are the big takeaways from this whole experiment? First, AI is an unbelievable accelerator, not a magic button. Think of AI as a set of powerful construction tools. It can help you build the frame of a house in a fraction of the time, but you are still the architect and the master craftsman. That critical 20%, the strategy, the human experience, the fact-checking, the empathy, that is what creates real value and drives results. Second, old-school business principles are more important than ever. The philosophy to serve first is the ultimate North Star. Use AI as a tool to serve your audience better and faster. Build a business that solves real problems and the revenue will follow. And finally, compliance and ethics are not optional. In a world drowning in AI content, trust is your most valuable currency. Following FTC guidelines, focusing on signals that align with EEAT, and engaging with communities in a helpful, non-spammy way is your best bet for building a sustainable, long-term business. So, what do you think? Could you use this model to start your own passive income business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to download that free AI to article checklist from the description. It'll give you a huge head start. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.